Hello guys, this is Eleftheria Barbagianni from Eleftheria Business PR. Welcome back to my channel. And in today's video I will give you a simple tip on how to use the Pinterest scheduling tool, which is free, and it's obviously the best way to schedule your pins. So we go by create pin. It's a bit slow. No. So we're choosing here the image or the video we want to download is to actually make sure that you are scheduling in advance, like have a little mini Excel file and write down, what you want to pin, when you want to pin, and have a plan for it. It is much better, so you know how to become more organized, and it's better for you because managing your keywords, you see how much your account is growing, and then you can check your traffic levels and see after a couple of days and a month you will see the difference. Do you understand what I mean when it comes to traffic and all the feed? Now here, as you can see, you have the publish immediately, which we're not gonna publish now, we're gonna publish later, maybe 28 or anytime, 3 o'clock or 1 o'clock, whatever. Just pick up the day, and it's simple. Make sure you publish as many as possible pins, so you have like a lot, and it's new content. Then let's go here. So basically you need to add the title. I have a post here about how to create lead magnets, 5 ways to create lead magnets. So I can say I can put that 5 ways, or how to create 5 ways to create lead magnets. Obviously this is just an example, and then you have all your keywords here. Then you have your alt text is very important. You know the game now of Pinterest. And then you copy and paste the link of the post here. Don't forget, it's very important for you to have a save that, and in my course I explain you actually how to make sure you find the keywords so they will rank high on Pinterest, and have them ready and then write it down. And then also the alt text. And what you can do is to find the board you want to publish. It's simple as that, and we can publish here. It is done, and you can see the pin that has been scheduled straight away into your profile. Now I say that again and again, it's really important for you to, as you schedule your new content, to use the free scheduling tool, because you see it's ready. You press here, see, schedule the pin for you to see it. There it is. It's gonna publish, and then it's simple as that. You have everything here. If you go to your profile, you will see it below your profile. So it's simple as that. Now, as I say, prepare your pins in advance, and this is something that you need to take advantage of and you will see much difference on your feet. But don't forget that, you know, is keywords is important. It's gonna take some time, and especially, you know, now with the new you know, with the new algorithm, as Pinterest changing every day. So it's for you very important to understand that, have a little research beforehand. So do the plan of what you're gonna pin and when are you gonna pin, and then just, you know, scheduling, have some fun. So that's it for me today, and have a lovely day. Don't forget to connect with me on the social media, and send me any message you want, any tip you want. So I will be happy to help you guys. Take care.